Today in this video, I will show you how to change lock screen in Windows 11. So click on Start, Settings, then click on Personalization. Here click on Lock Screen. Here you will see recent images. You can select any image from this list, and also guys, you can choose a photo from your computer. So click here. Now select a photo which you like. So this is the way guys you can change lock screen in Windows 11. Thanks for watching guys. Please comment this video useful for you or not, and please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.